Kyle, You're Behind BBQ, and today gonna be a little different. I'm gonna give you a tour of what I've been up to for the past 2 years. Let's go. Welcome to You're Behind BBQ, Birds and Bones. All right, so when you walk in, first you'll see the beautiful mural. All these pictures are something that meant a lot to us when we were on the competition scene. There are a lot of big time memories for us. You know, I gotta have my grandfather on here. He was the cook in World War II for the US Army. So, you know, I gotta represent and show him on there. So, this is the dining room. Got all the trophies on the wall, up on top. There's 37 seats inside of here. We also have a back patio that I will take you and show you that as well. More pictures. I got all my buddies up there. There's a lot of shirtless pics. The thing with the shirtless pics, whoever does the best out of a contest between all of us has to take their shirt off. It's already a kick in the balls if you did the worst out of us, so we're not gonna make you take your shirt off, but if you do the best, you're taking your shirt off. So we're gonna pan this way. Got the little table. There's little Kofini. More trophies here. Then our favorite area is the bar, obviously. We got all the buddies barbecue stickers on here, so we might need more. So please send us more barbecue stickers if you're interested in doing this. This is where we make our hillbilly Gatorades. We got the black box wine. Pop said you ain't having a bar if you don't got black box wine, so we had to have box wine. Of course, we got the Modelos, the Ultras, more trophies. We got our first dollar bill we ever made up there. Customer left us a $20 bill that he tagged up saying that he kicked our ass at a barbecue contest, so he wanted to make sure that that was represented. So, all right, now let's go through the dining room and I'll take you to the kitchen. So, back in the 1900s is when this place was built. This place used to be a bank. So this here was the vault, this room here. So this is 16 inches of concrete all the way around in here. So we got that as a prep area. I got a freezers, fridge, the oven, little Kofini again, big fridge, and we got the old hickory DW, double wide. That's where we cook all of our meat right now. The kitchen, the hot boxes. This is where all the magic's made, all back here. We got more trophies. We got some meat out here that's getting ready to go on the smoker. All of our medals, more trophies, pictures of our golden tickets. Now, this will be the coolest part. It's 130 degrees right now, so nobody wants to sit outside. So outside used to be a 6-car parking lot. Well, we ripped all that out and we built a patio. The only thing we're missing is we need a gazebo. The big smoker will be out here. We built a bar. We'll have a full bar tap system out here. We'll have TVs, fans, mister systems, all of that. And this will be the best place to watch football in Arizona. So if you're in Arizona, please come out to Florence, Arizona, to You're Behind BBQ. Also, we got a big parking lot out there. So I'll be hosting SCA events, KCBS events, barbecue content. I'll be hosting all kinds of stuff in that back lot. All right, so back in through the patio, we got 2 restrooms. We got the women's and the girls. Got the hallway. We got the washroom. Now my favorite part. So this place was built in the 1900s, right? Let me show you this. Down the creepy stairs. So back in Prohibition, the guys would walk into the bank and they would bypass the bank. They would come down these stairs, and this wall here, as you can see, it's very bubbled out, used to be a tunnel. And that tunnel used to lead across the street, and that's where they would go drink. That's where they would go do their shenanigans, whatever they did. So this place had a tunnel, but they filled in the tunnel. So I refinished these stairs here. This is kind of, well, this is our storage area. This is where we store everything. These stairs here were redone when I first got the key. I sanded them all down, I painted them, and when I came back the next morning, there was little kid footprints on the 3rd stair all the way down to like the 6th or 7th stair, and then they disappeared. Now, I didn't know that this place was haunted. I didn't know it had a ghost. I didn't know any of that. I came back and I was pissed off saying, hey, whose kid was walking on my thing, on the stairs? And my dad tells me, well, you're the only one that has the key, so nobody's kid was left in here. So there was footprints on the stairs, and yeah, I don't know else how to explain that. So this is that. I've had a little bunch of creepy things happen. I've had the men's restroom flushed by itself, and then this sink in the washroom turned on. Don't ask me how, but I used to sleep here, so I would get up and be like, okay, turn on all the lights. Dishwasher would go off by itself. Dishwasher is a manually thing, and it would go off. So I don't know what to say. So if there's any ghost hunters out there, please come on down. Come on down and let's find this sucker. But it's a friendly ghost. So this is that. Let's go back upstairs. Okay. So the long hallway back into the kitchen. Now let's load some meat on the smoker. What's Kofini doing? Must be, hey, just help yourself. There's noodles, just help yourself. I mean, what are we doing?
A little Cajun pasta.
Okay.
Nice, quick, easy.
Nervous. I don't know what he's doing. Welcome in. Welcome in, sir. Hey, we're gonna load the smoker with meat.
All right, great. Thanks for showing up.
Yeah, thanks for coming in. Appreciate it. All right, let's load this sucker up. We make our own house rub here. Now the house rub, you can ask the cameraman, the guy who's filming. Oh, by the way, I got a cameraman now. Perfect. So, we got a house rub that consists of what, John? 17, 18? Where are we at?
Say 17.
17 or 18 ingredients inside of this house rub. It's a pain in the ass to make, but it is what it is. So, got my handy dandy Cimarron Docks bottle. The reason why I use this is because it's so big. You know, I got big hands, so it's big to use. Briskets, prime briskets. These are already trimmed up, seasoned from the prep days that we did earlier. We are only open Thursday through Sunday, 10 to 8, just because everything here is fresh, everything here is homemade. So we use Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday's like a deep clean day for us. Tuesday and Wednesday is non-stop prep days. So I'm gonna load this sucker up. These babies will take a nice little smoke bath for about 16 hours, and then I'll be back at 2 a.m. to wrap them and throw our ribs on. So, rub's done, Ziploc. What else should we show them, John? Should we show them anything else?
I think we should show them the vault room. You know,
the vault?
the recipe book and how the ingredients for the rubs.
No, I'm not showing anybody any of that. That's it. This is all they get to see. This is it, John. This is all they get to see. This is how we make our rub. See? Look at that, the old brisket rub too. That's all you get to see. That's it. That's it. Wipe these suckers down. So a little window, this is kind of where I work at. So all the food's cooked. The cooks will assemble all the dishes, so I get to touch every plate that goes out. And I'll call the waitress comes, picks up the food, do the whole thing, but I will make sure I touch every damn plate that leaves. Because we got little Kofini out there, wherever the hell he went, there he is. Got little Kofini out there like a hawk. He watching the plates. See, Kofini got paperwork in his hand. What does Kofini do? Kofini's the paperwork man. That's what Kofini does. That's all he does. Paperwork. Stay out of the effing kitchen, Kofini. We don't need you in here. This is man's work in here, buddy. Man's work. All of this is man's work. So Kofini, he does all the BS that I don't want to do. He does the scheduling. He does the paperwork. He does the books. He does the, what else does he do? That's about it. That's about all he does. Oh, he pays my paycheck too. What else does he do? I think that's about it. That's all Kofini does. So I stay in the kitchen and he stays out of the kitchen. It's the only way it works. It works good. That's all we got to do. And then I get to yell at him because he screwed up the order. Get to yell at that. What else do I get to yell at him about? Oh, him being short.
Because that's my fault, of course. Sorry, I'm so short.
Genetics. Genetics, buddy. All right, let's see. Let's go back to the dining room. Let's see what else we got. What else we got? Stay out of here. Stay out of this place. Stay out of there. So this is it. This is our small little barbecue restaurant. But it's not your typical barbecue. That's what we like to preach. It's not your typical barbecue restaurant. It's up and going. We got our first 1-star review recently. Did you hear about that, John?
I did not.
You did not hear about our first 1-star?
I didn't hear about that, no.
Our first 1-star says, your place is too small and you'll never be able to survive with having a 2-hour wait and having people wait in line outside in the heat for their food or to even place an order. That's not my fault. So the guy yells at me, why'd you buy a place that was too small? Nothing I can do, man. Sorry, we're a little bit popular. Anyways, thank you. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Also, if you want to ship me a sticker, please ship me a sticker that we could add to the bar because we need to fill the bar up. Did we show them the bar?
We did show them the bar.
Did you show them the stickers?
Yes, we showed them the stickers.
Okay.
And if they send us a sticker, then it'll be right on our bar.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So if you're watching this, please drop us a comment, like the video, and send me a message. And please, I'll give you the address of where to send the stickers, and we will fill this bar up. We want to fill this bar completely full of all of your guys' stickers. All right, that's it. Cut them off, John. We're done. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.